All right. So if you've ever been into the marketing social media planner, you'll see that now you can add your Threads account. So I'm going to show you how to integrate that. So where we're going to go is on the menu on the left. We're going to click on marketing, and then you'll be brought to the social media planner. Now mine is already connected, so let's disconnect this so that way you can actually see how this is supposed to look. If you have not already logged in, um, you should be brought to a page that looks similar to this. If you're integrating this during the time when they first introduced this, because at the time of this recording, this was a new feature that was added. So if you've logged on later on, then this may not populate here. This message here, this notification that says Threads is now available in Social Planner. You may not see that on your end. However, for the people that are joining and trying to connect this, whenever they started implementing this, this is what you'll see. So you'll hit connect to Threads here on the right. If not, if you don't see this message, I want you to click on socials, and then you click on connect threads. Okay, both of them will take you to the same place. So let's go to connect to threads here on the right. All right, and then so what this will do is populate the threads login screen. So all you need to do is just log in with your credentials. So I'm going to pause this for right here. All right, so what I'm doing right now is just logging in with my credentials. All right. Try this again. I put in the incorrect password. All right. So I'm here. And of course, I put the password in wrong. So I'm going to fix that um, very quickly and put in a code. So if you do see this, this is good to actually see when the system is kind of denying access, and you get to see different screens that you may or may not run into once you're going through the process of putting in your credentials. So let's say if you put it in wrong, just go and follow the directions that it gives you, and then you're going to put in the code that it submits to the um, email address that you have connected to your account. So I'm going to put that in. All right, so I hit submit. It's verifying that I put in the right code. And all right, so we're going to hit back. All right, so we're in here. Well, we're in threads. So it did not connect this way. So we're going to hit connect to threads again. Um, we're going to try to put this in one more time. All right, let's hit pause on the screen share. Then we're going to try this one more time. If I could type it in right, that would help us. All right. Okay. So now we've been able to successfully log in. Um, let's hit never right here. Okay. So it'll take you to the screen now. So now you're just trying to um, get permission to be able to share the information from between Link Connector and Threads. So what you're going to do is just hit continue as, and this will have your username. And then it'll bring us to another screen here. All right. All right. So if this doesn't work, I love it when we have errors. So I want you to close it. If nothing populates on your screen, just close it. I'm going to do connect to threads again. Okay. So because it still should have your login information and bring you back to the permission screen. So we're going to hit continue as um, your user. And then this will populate here on the screen where it says which threads profile do you want to connect. We want to connect the ones, any of the accounts that we want to connect that we want to actually start using for our marketing purposes for our business. So we're going to click add. And then now it should say connected here in green. So let's close this by clicking on the X. And then now you'll see that it's connected here. You can verify that there. So as long as you see that there, then you will be fine and good to go to be able to use and post to your Threads account.